Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to copy an account link on Facebook using your Android device. This updated method is straightforward and allows you to easily share profiles with friends or anyone else. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the account. Next, go to the account you want to copy the link for. This could be your own profile or a friend's. You can search for it using the search bar or find it in your friends list. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're on the profile page, look for the 3 horizontal dots next to the messenger icon. Tapping these dots will reveal a menu with more options. Step 4. Tap Copy Link at the bottom. In the menu that appears, select Copy Link. This will copy the account's URL to your clipboard, allowing you to share it easily. And that's it. You've successfully copied the account link on Facebook. Whether you want to send it in a message, share it on another platform, or save it for later, this method makes it quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.